My name is Strat. I'm on a constant hunt for adventure. A thrill-seeking mentality has brought me to so many places around the globe for the last decade. From the crystal clear waters of Hawaii to the barren deserts of Israel, my endless thirst for travel opens my mind to a world without borders. I'm in my element while on an adventure. Call it my happy place. And it's not just the places or the activities, but the people. This lifestyle has introduced me to many people that I now call family. So many doors are opening and I refuse to say no. Strapping cans of pink smoke to our legs for doing a gender reveal? Let's do it. Freediving 50 feet underwater through caves? My cup of tea. My explorations are never dull and never without a story. Documenting my stories are key, so I always have cameras and drones with me. Capturing these journeys and these life moments give me the ability to spread my story and open new doors to new experiences. Now, I wouldn't consider myself an expert in anything, but I do consider myself a professional bag collector. I've had them all. Every bag fills a void, but is never all-encompassing. They all have their weaknesses, and I've tested them all to their limits. I've been designing my dream bag for the last 10 years. After every adventure, airport, rainstorm, road trip, boat ride, you name it, I went back to the drawing board and added a new feature. My goal was to design a semi-professional photographer slash vlogger slash travel slash adventure bag all in one. Now, like most, this idea was just a drawing on paper, and I never ever dreamed that this would come to fruition. But after being a sponsored athlete by Hitcase, GoScope, and Mountain Go, my opportunity came. I was presented with a blank canvas. Design your dream backpack, they told me. We worked tirelessly for 8 months doing trial and error to create the Rad Pack. No, the Rad Pack. The Rad Pack. The Rad Pack is unlike anything else out there. We started off with the newly developed military-grade ballistic nylon for the outer shell. This was key. I found too many of my bags ripped or torn after just one use. 900D nylon is water resistant and not common on backpacks. In fact, we are one of the only consumer grade backpacks currently on the market using this material. Even further, to prevent moisture from entering the pack, we made a reversible rain fly for keeping the pack water resistant at all times, or stowing the waist strap and shoulder straps during conveyor belt transportation. Mesh pockets can hold up to a 34-ounce canteen, and carrying handles on all 4 sides adds to its functionality. I added a water-resistant USB 3.0 charging connection that allows charging of my phone and other devices on the go. Since load bearing is key, the U-shaped shoulder straps and adjustable waist straps make this 39-liter pack feel like a feather. Since this is the Rad Pack, we had to make it different, so this thing opens like a book, perfectly cut down the center. This opens up to 3 compartments, 2 of which are completely customizable with removable padded felt inserts. Drones, DSLR cameras, GoPros, lenses, clothes, shoes, goggles, sunglasses, hydration packs, everything has its designated place and you get to choose. Since I'm a videographer and a photographer, I wanted to have quick access to my camera. So we added a quick access panel on the front of the bag for camera gear on the go. This bag has it all. Now, I travel a ton, and like most people, I hate checking a bag. I made sure the Rad Pack was 21 inches by 14 inches by 8 inches, so it fits all carry-on standards with all airlines. This thing goes with you everywhere. When you get to security, don't worry. I've added a padded laptop and iPad sleeve so your electronics are safe and easy to remove. Now when I travel, not only do I feel prepared and organized, I also feel relaxed knowing that all my gear is safe and adventure ready in this easy to use travel bag. If you're serious about getting a bag that fits your travel needs, you need this bag. It's built for adventure, built for the elements, built for life. The Rad Pack.
Last year we designed a toiletry bag for the minimalist traveler, making a more organized and easy way to travel light.
We ended up raising over $200,000, shipped toiletry bags all around the world to over 4,000 happy customers in 65 different countries, changing the way that thousands of people travel.
After a bunch of searching, we realized it was either a giant catch-all bag, a Ziploc, or a weird bathroom organizer. And that was it.
We were wondering how the crap we were going to keep our toothbrush off of our toenail clippers.
So we designed our own from scratch and launched.
Introducing the Expeditioner. We'll give you a quick run through. We've built a water-resistant pocket for your toothbrush. No one likes your toothpaste juices getting all over the rest of your stuff. If it's an electric toothbrush or a full-size toothpaste and toothbrush. Besides that, there's a perfect size pocket for your electric razor or normal razor and shaving cream. Behind that, we have a small hidden pocket for earrings and other small items. Down below, there are 3 pockets, one for deodorant, combs, or other long items, and 2 for the rest of your random toiletries. My favorite part of the bag is the water-resistant pocket. It scales the entire back of the bag, allowing you to fit 4 3-ounce bottles of liquids or larger items like a hairbrush. We're also including a clear TSA-compliant bag, water-resistant and to be used inside the toiletry bag for a second layer of added protection. Pull it out and set it by the rest of your stuff for easy passage through airport security. And the small hook allows you to use it as a shower bag. In the back is a soft fleece pocket. It fits your passport, USB cords, or a small first aid kit. This bag does great laying on the counter, the top of the toilet, or you can hang it up. Included is a small G-hook and strap, so you can easily hang it wherever. While it's hanging, it's easy to store and grab your items. And when you're all done packing, it slides right on top of the rest of your stuff. Our poles, waterproof zippers, and all of our materials are top-notch. Don't believe us? We'll give you a lifetime warranty. And if something comes unstitched, send it back and we'll send you a new one. So whether you're on a month-long trip, traveling as a family, or on a business trip, the Expeditioner is the perfect companion to travel anywhere.
Hey, well, thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. We put together some pledges below. If you back us, we would be so pumped. And yeah, I hope we send you a package soon. Thanks so much.
version of a laptop or tablet on the side, and one of the customizable capsules on the other side. The new capsule has Hypalon reinforcements and many slots where you can easily attach and detach our special aluminum hook. The internal patent-pending wall is firmly fixed to the internal frame of the bag, thanks to 6 fixing points, and can contain a 13-inch large laptop in his laptop pocket. As the capsule is inflated, the air blown inside will expand in all the bag, creating sort of an air cushion around your electronic devices placed in the wall socket. Everything will remain securely suspended in the middle, securing it from any hard impact. From all sides,
you can detach the padding when you're into the water and put it into the capsule bag.
Wow, that's great, Max.
the back padding is ergonomically designed to bring you extra comfort and lightness.
What about that carry-on camera bag we've redesigned?
You are.
Wonderful. So, same waterproof zipper, removable handles, inflatable valve, except all in half the size.
Capsule Carry and Carry Bag is a messenger bag that can fit inside the backpack or be used individually. Internally, there are dividers to easily organize your camera equipment or fragile devices.
Camera and Carry Bag is not equipped with the internal suspended wall, but it can be set up if needed with the removable capsules. When inflated, it can support a strong pressure from outside. New camera bag, adjusting the shoulder strap, can be worn like a backpack.
Whether you're flying in an airplane or driving your motorcycle or bicycle, whether you're trekking or swimming, parkouring, or shopping with Capsula, you'll always feel at your best.
Help us and support Capsula with your best pledge. Thank you so much.